Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to view reserved storage size on Windows 11 using Windows Terminal app. For this, right click on this one Start button and here select Terminal Admin. In case Windows prompts, press yes to continue. Then copy and paste this one command from this one video description. I will leave this link of this one article on this video description. You can copy and paste these one details from there. In case you have installed Windows 11 on another than C drive, then you need to replace this one C. You need to replace this one C drive, and after that press enter on the keyboard. This will display something like this. You need to note down a space guarantee size, this one in MB, again this one, again this one. You may find a space guarantee size in different sections. All you need to note down and sum up all this storage size to get the reserved storage size on your Windows 11 machine. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.